Alright, so now we're going to add the power system. This is the last part we have. So what we're going to need first is a battery, so let's do add bat. And the battery we're going to connect is this one. Pretty much it's just a 2-pin hole, and we're going to actually connect a 9-volt battery when we do it. So let's just drop that guy for now. And then we're going to need a switch because we want to turn this guy on and off. So we can do add switch. And we're going to need a single pole double throw, and the switch we want to use is this guy, which is a right angle surface mount rated for 300 milliamps. Connect him right there. So cool. We can just ground this right now, make the connection to the switch. And the voltage regulator we're going to be using is 3.3 volts. That's why I've been adding all the 3.3 volt labels everywhere. So the regulator we're going to use is called the MCP, and it's here in power. It's 1802 300 milliamps, 3.3 volt. We can go ahead and add that, place them right around here. And let's go check out the datasheet real quick. So if you right click, properties, you can go to datasheet. You can open up your browser and we can check it out. This is the package we have. It says we can put 1 microfarad capacitor on either side. So those are the capacitors we're going to need. There's only one other thing I want to check. Oh, it's here also. The shutdown pin wants to be connected to VIN. So we got to make sure to do that. And look at, they're even using a 9-volt battery too. What are the odds? Cool. So let's go check that out. Here we are. We can do add 1 microfarad. I'm actually put 10 microfarad because if you actually go deeper into the application, it says a minimum of 1 microfarad, and we have a lot of 10 microfarads. They're very common and used in a bunch of other applications. So we're going to add 10 microfarad, do 0805 size, drop it right here. We need to connect the shutdown to VIN, so make sure to do that or else our regulator will never turn on. Connect it to the switch. We're going to add ground, make this connection, and then I'm going to copy for our 10 microfarad on the other side. We don't need to worry about pin 4, it just says not connected. So I like to call these just balance pins, they're used for balance. And we want this to be our 3.3 volt label. So let's box this guy up. Down just a little bit. Great, and then just add a label. I'm going to call it power system. And there we are. This is our schematic for the entire binary clock. So the next thing we got to do is switch over to the board, and then we'll start laying out our binary clock.